Hi, my name is Terry Lynn.
And I'm Heather.
And we work at Bebbington Industries in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.
We've been a trusted name since 1992. We manufacture high-quality cleaning products for the home, industrial use, and commercial use.
At Bebbington Industries, we are committed to quality, sustainability, and innovation. Our products are made with care, ensuring they meet the highest standards for performance and eco-friendliness.
One of our most popular brands is Down East. It's unscented, hypoallergenic, and eco-friendly. Whether you're washing dishes, doing laundry, or taking care of your skin, Down East delivers powerful cleaning without compromising the environment.
Here at Bebbington's, we're taking sustainability to a whole new level with our refill station. Customers can come in at participating maritime stores and refill dish, hand and body, and laundry, saving bottles, saving the planet. For a full list of our refill locations, check out our website. The refill station is part of our ongoing commitment to reducing waste and supporting the environment. It's simple, convenient, and an easy way to minimize single-use plastic while keeping your home and business clean.
From our family to yours, Down East products are trusted by families and businesses throughout the Maritimes. We believe in creating products that are not only effective, but also safe and gentle for your home and planet.
We are excited to announce that Bebbington Industries will be attending this year's Atlantic Retail Fair in April.
Come down to our booth and see how Down East can make a difference in your home and business. We will be showcasing Down East cleaning products, Bebbington industrial cleaning products, refill stations, and many more.
And we'll have all the freebies.
And you get to see us.
So stop on by. We'll see you there. Join us in making a cleaner, greener future with Bebbington Industries and Down East. Visit us today at our refill station in Dartmouth or find our products at a market near you. And don't forget to stop by our booth at the Atlantic Retail Fair this April.